Welcome to JoVE. Let's take a look at how you can use the JoVE LTI tool to add a quiz in Brightspace. Start by logging into Brightspace. Navigate to your course. Click on Add Existing button. Select JoVE Videos. Click on Continue in a new window. Select Quiz. Click on plus Create Quiz button. Give the quiz a title. Enter duration in minutes. Enter start date. Set the number of quiz attempts. Choose if the quiz is graded or ungraded, and if the access is open or restricted. You can choose to set an end date or make the quiz available indefinitely. You can also choose to allow closed captioning. Click on Done. You can add questions manually by clicking on the plus radio button or choose from our quiz library. Choose Subject. Choose Product. Choose Chapters. Add questions to the quiz by clicking on the Add to Quiz button. Click on Save button once you are done adding all the questions. Click on Back to My Quizzes. Add the newly created quiz. Click on Add Selected Quiz. That's it. Thank you for watching.